I am Fred with Secret Experiences. I am the host and curator of the photography experience. Why should you join us? Because it's fun. Seeing Saigon in a way that you don't normally get to see it. Also, I'm a lot of fun to hang around with. What do you expect to see? Everything. Honestly, Saigon streets are full of fun, full of people, full of colors, full of noise, different patterns and shapes, fun people, all of it. That's what we're gonna see. Our experience goes around 2 hours. You get to have a coffee at the beginning for those who don't wake up early in the morning very well, and a coffee at the end so you can wake up again. We teach you whatever you want to know. We can coach you with all kinds of stuff. If you have the right questions, but we give you the ideas of how to make better street photographs. What you want to see, how you're gonna look at it, what draws your attention, and how to see those things in a new way. You can come with your phone, you can come with a camera, you can come with the oldest camera on the planet, or the most new piece of equipment you have. It's all fun and all works, super easy. If you want to book with us, you can find us at secret-experiences.com.
I went on this photography tour with Fred, and there's a few things he did not mention. Number one, he's a very accomplished photographer himself. He's been doing photography for decades. Number two, he's lived in Vietnam for about 20 years, and he knows Vietnam super well. Number three, the reason Fred picks this neighborhood in Saigon is that it has this incredible vibe to it. And he knows so many people because they're used to seeing him. And so he's a familiar face. And as a result, that gives you, the potential photographer, a lot of advantages, because one of the challenging things, especially if you don't speak Vietnamese, is getting right up close and filming people right up close and getting their expressions and taking photography. And that is hard to get unless you have an experienced guide who knows people who can speak some Vietnamese and break the ice so that you can take that shot of that person that you would like to get. And that's one of the valuable things in this tour. Now, I've also done his other tour. Now, if you go up in the upper right-hand corner, there's another secret experience that goes into a cocktail bars. They take you to 4 secret bars. Check out that video. I really enjoyed it. I personally like the cocktail experience more, not because I'm a drinker. I'm not, actually. I drank mocktails. But because I went with Rick Gazarian and Adam, who's a friend, and that was just fun. Versus when I went on the photography tour, I went basically alone, even though I was with a group. So I had more fun in the bar experience and the cocktail experience. But for you, if you are big into photography and you want to up your game, this is a great way to do it. And one of the things I encourage you to do is to twist Fred's arm or whoever your guide's arm, ask them for tips. And ask them, hey, how can I get a better shot? Am I using the right exposure? Should I get a different type of camera? Should I change the angle? Questions like that. That can really get the most out of your secret experience. Anyway, this is Fred Tapon encouraging you to wander and learn.